Welcome to my channel Proper Watches. If you are looking for the best new Mido watches, based on specifications, you are in the right place. I included all the link in video description below. Now, let's get started. Number 8. Mido Commander Big Date, M21.626, 22.31. 0. Case material stainless steel with rose gold PVD. Coating thickness, 12 mm. Case shape round. Case length 42.0 mm lugs. Width 22.0 mm. Crystal sapphire crystal. Case options see-through. Case back weight 141 g. Water resistance 5 bar. Functions Big Date caliber automatic. Mido caliber 80 base ETA C7.651. Power reserve up to 80 hours. Caliber diameter 28.80 mm. Jewels 25 caliber 12.75. Timepiece from the Commander collection. By Mido, a Swiss watch brand known for its precision and elegant designs. Number 7. Mido Automatic Watch Multifort Power Reserve, Anthracite M38.424. 33.61. 0. Case material stainless steel with anthracite. PVD coating thickness 13.1 mm. Case shape round. Case length 42.0 mm. Lugs width 22.0 mm. Crystal sapphire crystal with double-sided anti-reflection treatment. Case options see-through. Case back. Screw down crown. Weight 155 g. Water resistance 10 bar. Date. Power reserve. Caliber automatic. Mido caliber 80. Base ETA C7.671. Power reserve up to 80 hours. Caliber diameter 25.60 mm. Jewels 25 caliber 11.5. Timepiece from the Multifort collection by Mido, a Swiss watch brand known for its craftsmanship and quality. Number 6. Mido Commander Big Date, M216,261,106,100 anthracite steel. Case diameter 42 mm. Case thickness 11.97 mm. Band material stainless steel. Band width 20 mm. Band color silver. Dial color gray. Calendar date movement Swiss quartz. Water resistant depth 50 meters. Item shape round. Dial window material type sapphire. Crystal display type analog clasp. Deployment clasp. Alpinist great piece, incredibly affordable. And just love this brand. A Swiss watch brand known for its precision and elegant designs. Number 5. Mido Commander Blue, Shademate 1429.3. 25.11. Case material stainless steel with black. PVD coating thickness 10.5 mm. Case shape round. Width case length 37.0 mm. Lugs width 0.0 mm. Crystal acrylic glass. Functions date. Day caliber automatic. Mido caliber 80. Base ETA C7.621. Power reserve up to 80 hours. Caliber diameter, mm, 25.60 jewels. 25 caliber 11.5 buckle sliding clasp strap. Color black strap. Details stainless steel. Weight 85 g. Water resistance 5 bar. Swiss watch brand known for its precision and elegant designs. Number 4. Mido Men's Automatic Diving Watch, Ocean Star 200 Sea Green M42.430. 11.91. 0. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 42.5 mm. Height of housing 11.75 mm. Strap material stainless steel. Width of the bracelet 22 mm. Strap color silver. Dial color green. Material of the bezel pottery furnishing. Calendar clockwork. Automatic waterproof certification 20.0 bars. Shape of the case a round glass sapphire. Crystal advertisement analogous, closure safety lock. A Swiss watch brand known for its craftsmanship and reliability. The quality is really outstanding at this price point. Number 3. Mido Watchmen Black Ocean, Star 200 Automatic. Mido caliber 80. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 42.5 mm. Case thickness 11.75 mm. Band material stainless steel. Band width 20. Band color silver. Dial color black. Bezel material stainless steel. Bezel function M264,301,105,100 calendar day date. Item shape round dial window material type rotating bezel. Display type analog clasp folding. Clasp with diving extension. Known for its dive watches that combine style, durability, and functionality. This is a great watch. Number 2. Mido Watchman Commander Gradient, Automatic Mido Caliber 80, Base ETA C7.611, watch. Case material stainless steel. With black PVD coating case diameter. 40 mm case thickness 10.84 mm. Band material synthetic band. Size men's standard band with 21 mm. Band color black dial color black bezel material. Stainless steel with rose gold. PVD coating bezel function M414,073,741,100. Calendar date item shape round dial. Window material type stationary. Display type analog clasp fold over. Clasp item weight 2.43 ounces movement automatic. Mido caliber 80. Base ETA C7.611. Water resistant depth. 165 feet. Timepiece from the Commander collection by Mido, a Swiss watch brand known for its precision and elegant designs. Number 1. Mido Ocean Star Decompression, Worldtimer. Case material stainless steel thickness 13.4 mm. Case shape round case length 40.50 mm. Lugs width 21.0 mm. Crystal sapphire crystal case. Options screw down crown functions date. GMT caliber automatic Mido caliber 80 base ETA C7.661. Power reserve up to 80 hours. Caliber diameter mm. 25.60 joules 25 caliber 11.5 weight, G. 220 water resistance 20 bar. Strap color blue. Alpinist great piece incredibly affordable.